The oxidation is significant and the tracks are pretty bad. So it's going to be a long job, isn't it? Looks like we'll be here a while. All right, ramps down. Let's secure this beast. All right, good. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Verified. All set for the drop. We'll have it ready for cleaning in no time. Keep the nozzle closed for maximum effect. We're really breaking through the heavy stuff now. Focus on those rusted joints to clear the remaining grime. Almost got this section clear.
The intense spray hits the JCB bucket. See the dirt bubble and dissolve. Rust on the teeth emerges, and the yellow paint is revealed.
Almost done with this section.
That looks much better already.
Just the finishing touches.
Ready for the next stage.
All right, let's see what we're dealing with in here. That oxidation on the door is rough.
Yeah, looks pretty neglected. Those pedals are definitely rusted. With the final screw removed, we can now carefully lift this side panel, revealing the extent of the wiring and rusted framework beneath.
This wiring harness is extensively frayed.
Yes, the dust and corrosion are significant.
We'll need a full replacement here, definitely not a repair.
All right, time to clear these out. Careful with the frayed ends. Get it on the tray. Good. Let's move on to the second one. The rust is heavy here. All right, time to get these rusted pedals out.
Yeah.
They've been sitting a while. It's going to be a tough turn.
Yeah.
Almost got it. Now, into the bin. Next one. The chassis holds up well, but the wiring and floor are in serious shape. This is exactly what we needed to see for the next stage. All right, that looks solid, good as new.
Applying the rust converter now. See the reaction starting? This will protect it.
Yeah.
This machine's seen better days, but we'll bring it back.
All right, these bolts are really stuck.
All right.
Careful now, you don't want to strip them. Got it. Looks like the pads are completely gone. Time for the new ones, that'll improve the stopping. All right, that's one down. Perfect seal. This rust remover is working efficiently. See how clear the metal is becoming?
You can see the difference already. The rust is completely gone, but
All right, alignment marks matched. Tension looks good. All right, windows are good. Let's get the wheels and those tracks sorted next. Okay. Right, make sure the paper stays put. Perfect shade, exact match for the 3DX. Consistency looks great. Ready when you are.
keep the distance steady for a smooth finish.
Looks like it's taking the coats well.
Almost full coverage now.
Applying the sealant precisely. Now slowly lowering the glass. Perfect fit. Tightening this bolt now. How's that feel? Solid, ready to test. Excellent. Welcome. This is the finished product, the 3DX 2012 cab. Take a look at the detail. Here it is, the JCB 3DX. Every detail perfectly restores for the dashboard gleams. Controls feel brand new. This restoration is truly perfect.